In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in HostGator's Web Host Manager, or WHM. This is a handy skill for those who need to manage multiple domains or accounts efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your HostGator WHM. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the WHM login page. Enter your credentials. These usually include a username and a secure password unique to your WHM access. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the WHM dashboard, which may seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it. Now that you're on the dashboard, look to the left side of the screen where you see a navigation panel. You'll want to find and click on Account Functions. Under this section, there's an option labeled Create a New Account. Click on this and you'll be directed to the account creation form. This is where you'll input all necessary details for the new domain. Next, you'll need to fill in the domain name you wish to create. It's important to ensure that this domain name is unique and hasn't already been registered. As you enter the domain name, the system automatically suggests a username. You have the option to edit this suggestion if you prefer a different username. Following this, you will need to create a secure password for the account. It's crucial to choose a strong password to keep the account secure. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like common words or sequences. Once you've set up the username and password, the next step is to select a hosting package. These packages determine the resources and features allocated to your new account. If your hosting needs are straightforward, you can choose one of the pre-existing packages. However, if your requirements are more specific or complex, you can customize the resource limits according to your needs, such as disk space, bandwidth, and email accounts. After finalizing your hosting package or setting your custom configurations, you're almost there. Double check all the information you've entered to ensure everything is correct. Once you're confident with the details, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Create button. This action will process your request and set up the new account. Upon completion, your new domain is now fully hosted and ready to go. You can now manage this account independently, making it easier for you to maintain and control your web hosting environment. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create a new account in HostGator WHM. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you and that you're now more confident in managing your web hosting accounts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.